Good day everyone, I am Dhel-Alyssa and Bonrostro from X42A ITAELEC5, and today I'll be using a GUI source code management, and I'll be using the EC Mercurial and the Tortoise HG. Now let's get started. For today, I'll be using the EC Mercurial for the GUI source code management. So now we're here at their website. As you can see here, there are different installers for the OS. So here they have for the Windows, for the Mac OS, and for the Linux. So download an installer that is compatible on your computer. So now I'll be using the Windows installer here. So I already downloaded it on my computer. All we have is to install it. So then it's already installed, so let's check. So here is the EC Mercurial desktop icon. So I'll be type my email address. So here's the working area or the working space of the EC Mercurial. So we will see here different buttons for the different command that we will use. We have for the diff, revert, update, commit, merge, and add. We have already for the pull and push history, for the status. And here is for creating a repository. So now we will use it. Let's check. First thing that we will do is to create a repository. In order to create a repository, just click the open and then file folder. Here we will go to locate or to browse our project file. Browse, and it's under desktop. In desktop, just click task 6, select folder, then click OK. So here's the files. In order to add to the repository is just select all and then click add. In order to change or to save the current state of all files that we have that we will add to the repository is click commit. After that, we will type here the comment or some labeling that we in order to become organized and to recognize what we have action that we will what action we have done. So first is the first initial stage project, then click commit. After clicking the commit, we will see in the history that we have do some action. So when you click this, it will show you the identifier, the author, the date, the time and the date that we have made some action, and the tags and the comment, which is the first initial stage project. After that, we will use the button revert. In order to use that, I will show you. Just go to your project. In your project, we will have do some changes here. So I will delete this class ball. Click and then save as. Then go to the EC Mercurial. The good thing is it will automatically notify you that you have modified the ball.cs. So you have modified them, and then let's go for the log or the history. It will show you the uncommitted changes. So it will you will see here the you will see here that you have uncommitted changes. So in order to back to its original version, that what you have modified or what you have done is just click revert. Then click revert. And then to check if it's the code that we have deleted is back, it's here. Now we see the class ball that we have deleted a while ago. So here is. So it's basically revert is using when you have deleted files and you want to back to its original or to its previous version. So next is to use the diff. So same with the revert, we will make some changes here. So we will delete this class ball until this texture to the public and then save. After that, it will also notify that you have modified ball.cs still, and then we will use the diff. In diff, it will show you what changed in the file, so what you have made, what you have done, or what you have changed in the file. So here is the original or before, and this is the after. So now you will see here the difference in in the class ball. In the before or in the original, the class ball is still, or you will see the class ball codes, but in the after is you don't the after is you will not see because it was, or because we have deleted this. So basically diff is to show you what you have, or to show the difference what you have done in the previous and to the present file. So here's is, so in order to back this original is to click revert, then revert. Then in order to check it if the file is already there, is here. The file that we the code rather that we have deleted is it's already in the ball.cs file. So next thing that we will use is remove. In order to do this is click the file state or the status and then click the bouncing ball. So here we will remove this file. So remove. After that we will commit. So deleted ball.cs and then commit. It will automatically go to the history. So in the history you will see that we deleted the ball.cs here. In order to back to its original, we will not use the revert, rather we will use the update to back to its working directory. So use this. Use this update to this revision. So here, update successfully. No files updated, merge, remove, all 0. So click OK. After that, we will go to my work. Now after using the update, we will add these 2 files to the version control in order to include to our source code management. So after using the update, we will add these 2 to the version control. Let's right click and then add to the version control. Oops. After adding this to the version control, we will commit these changes And then we will second stage, or updated files that we have removed, that deleted, that we have deleted a while ago. Wait, that deleted. Commit. Now we will see here. After that, we will see here in our repository that we have that the ball.cs is already there. So after that, the last command that we will use is to cut or to view the codes or the file. So just double click, and then here is the codes of ball.cs file. Now let's move on the theme setup. For now, we will not use the easy mercurial because we found some problem on the shared repository. So we will use the tortoise. The good thing is what we have done or did in the easy mercurial was also synchronized in the tortoise. So we don't have any problem when it comes to the folder, or it comes to the files that we have done. So first thing that we will do is clone the files that we have on a task 6. So just right click the user A, and then the work tortoise HG, just click the clone, locate the source, so here we already cloned we have cloned the file that we have in task 6 on the user B. So now we will do the same on the user B. So here we are already done. First, we will go to the repository settings to specify the username, task 6. And the scenario here is user A will do some changes on the script. So save. Then we will commit. Same thing with the letter B. The letter B will also commit some changes here. So save. Then we will commit also the changes happen here. So committed changes from user B. So commit. After that, let's go back to the workbench. As you can see, we have here the file for the user A and for the user B. The thing that you will see is what we have committed from the user A and for the user B. So now we will push the committed file that we will push the committed changes that we have done in user A. So we will use this push, and then let's see in the main. So it's automatically here the user A, the changes that committed by the user A. Now the user B will check if there's changes happened by the other user. So just use this check for incoming changes. Now it detects that it found that there is one incoming change set. So let's fold that. So here's the graph that it have committed change from the user A. Next thing is to merge these two files that have a committed change. So we will use the merge. So next. So now it's successfully committed, but we will put some message here. So merge file from user A and user B. So let's commit now. Finish. Now we will check it is already merged. So just click this. So here. So this is it is from the user A and this is from the user B, and in the middle is the merge file. So you can see some changes which is from the user A, and here is another changes from the user B. So now we have done the changes. So let's push the merge file to the main. So it's already here. So that's it for the team setup. So now let's move to the branch. So first thing that we will do is to update this main. So it's already updated. So after that, we will commit here, and then here you just click the branch. We will name it as central branch or central. Then click commit, create. Then after that, we will make some here changes. So we will created changes from main, then save. After that, we will commit this. Committed changes from main, then commit. After that, we will also have some changes for the user A. Same file. So committed by user A. This is another. So let's commit and then close. Let's go on the workbench. So here's the task 6. The central branch committed a changes from the main or from the script and also the user A. So we will pull what is the task or the main has changed. So let's pull. So here it's already in the user A. And now we will merge what the central and the user A committed. So let's use the merge again and then next and then here merge file from branch and central branch or branch, say as the user A to be specific and the central branch, and then click commit now. Finish. So now we have already merged the file from branch user A and the central branch. So that's all. Thank you.